So tonight I'm making a beautiful steak au poivre with garlic mashed potatoes, a quick version of Vichy carrots, and look at that sauce. Look at what that is. Hey, if you got a date night, this is easy to make. I mean, seriously, under 30 minutes, 40 minutes max, and it's beautiful. Bon soirée, bon appétit, subscribe, and you'll see many more of my videos. Thank you. Okay, quick meal. Steak au poivre. You're going to need 2 fillets or 2 New York strips. You're going to need some red wine or white wine, dry. Some brandy or whiskey or bourbon. You're going to need some peppercorns. And you're going to crush it with one of these. You're going to need a shallot. You're going to need a clove of garlic, diced. And that's for the pepper steak. Quick meal. I put some carrots, baby carrots. Put a teaspoon of sugar, boiling them. And I'm going to reduce that to a simmer. That's going to be my side. I'm making mashed potatoes. I took some yellow potatoes, peeled them. I will bring that to a boil until tender, and then I will make mashed potatoes out of that, which I will add the garlic to that, which gives it an extra twist with a little peppercorn, heavy cream, and I'll show you how that's done. This is my quick dinner and amazing. Perfect for a date, by the way. Okay. So, quick way to check your potatoes is you can take a fork, check if it goes through. I like to use a instant temperature probe. What I do is, yeah, that's done. Pull it out, 200 degrees Fahrenheit, you're done. So what we're going to do is we're going to turn off the heat on that. And you can drain it into a strainer. Hey, I'm just gonna. Now you can mash it by hand or with a hand mixer or whatever fancies you. So we're gonna take these beautiful yellow potatoes that I peeled. I'm gonna take my garlic that I diced, drop it in there. I'm going to take some crushed peppercorn that I made for the filet and drop about 3 pinches in there. I'm going to take good butter. I recommend European butter. If not, a suggestion, don't get the brand, well, you know, just get European butter or get Vermont butter or, you know, just check the creaminess of it. Mashed potatoes, good butter is really important. So I'm putting about 2 tablespoons in there. I'm going to add some heavy cream, about, I'd say 2 tablespoons, and I'm going to throw that on my mixer. Oh, there we go. And put my whisk on there. And I like doing it this way because start slow. All right, and then if I need more cream, I will add more cream into that if I need it. More butter. Oh, I almost forgot. Add some salt. So I'm adding some horse salt in there. There we go. And I'm just going to mix that up so it's smooth. If I need to, I'll add some more cream or whole milk, whatever you prefer. And we will be back. Oh, don't need this here anymore. So I will put this burner back on the medium low and transfer my carrots over here so you can see the progress of that. And we're slowly just going to get all that moisture out of there and on the surface. Okay, we'll be back. Okay, we're back. So I mixed that up pretty good. The potatoes. So let's take a look. I'm liking this. All right, very important. Take a small taste and check for seasoning. Yeah. All right, so I'm going to show you a trick. Remember that hot water? Keep your potatoes hot, warm, stick it on there, put it on a really low setting on the burner, and you're good. Carrots are cooking, and now I'm going to prep my steaks. Now, you notice I took my steaks and they've been out for a while, about 20 minutes. I want to bring them up to room temperature, or close to it. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my ground black pepper and I'm going to push it into it. And this is why we call it a Steak Au Poivre. And we're going to turn that and drop all that lovely fresh peppercorn. And I'm using the colored one. So it has beautiful colors on there. And turn to the side, press down on the peppercorn. And don't be afraid to get it in there. Beautiful. Okay, I got a little bit left. I'm going to save that. And we're just going to cook down our carrots. And we're getting close to the point to cook up our steak. Now we're going to take a little olive oil. Ooh. I'm going to do that. There we go. A little olive oil. Put it on there. Massage it. You know, meat loves to be massaged. So, by the way, trick to put the oil on top of the other. So you take one side, take one side, take one side. And that what happens is it puts all that oil into there. Okay, that looks good. Now, you can use regular butter or clarified butter into your pan. But I recommend you wait till your carrots are even more, the water comes down. And I'm going to drop the temperature on that carrot now a little lower so that it gently steams now. That's the secret. So this is like a cheat version, a cheating version of Vichy carrots. So see my video how to do that, you know, sliced. It's beautiful. Oh my God, delicious. But this is a quick video. This is a quick meal that you can do on any weeknight, any evening. I mean, great date night dinner as well. Whatever. So we'll be back. Okay. So I put clarified butter in there. But if you don't have clarified butter, put regular butter and put olive oil, extra virgin, not virgin, just regular olive oil on your steaks. So if you don't know about clarified butter, it's not hard to make. Go to my video. I'll put a link on my description that you can go to it and make it. But the advantage of clarified butter is that it has a higher smoke point. Meaning, if you just put butter in here, put high heat, almost right away it will start burning. and you lose the flavor and you get this burnt taste on whatever you're doing. Clarified butter is removing the proteins and the water from the butter, and yeah, you're creating a higher temperature, which is, gosh, I can't think of the temperature range, but it's like 400, 500 Fahrenheit. And okay, let me throw that in there. And what I love about clarified butter, wow, I can smell it when it's ready. So 4 or 5 minutes on each side. We're going to toss it. I'm keeping my mashed potatoes. Oh, let me move this over so you can see. Look at that. I put the bowl on top of water that I used to cook the potatoes, and just to keep it warm on the side. Gosh. All right. I'm going to pause this while this is cooking, because it needs 4 to 5 minutes on each side. Do our beautiful pepper steak. We'll be right back. Okay, the filet browning. 4 to 5 minutes on each side. That's a pretty thick filet. My carrots kept warm. And my potatoes, woo, that's a little warm, kept warm. And you ask how I do this? I mixed it, and look, steamed water while I'm waiting. Easy solution, quick and easy meal. And that way you can prepare your mashed potatoes, carrots, get it all done, and then we will come back and make our sauce with the filet. Oh, the filet is feeling good. So, if you take your hand, touch it here, that's rare. Or mignon. Or very rare. Second finger is actually rare. Third finger is medium rare. And that's what we want. And I'm feeling that. So I'm going to take these steaks and I'm going to plate them. And let them rest. So you ask yourself, why do I let the meat rest? Well, wait a minute. I forgot something incredibly important. I forgot to flambé this. I got ahead of myself. Okay. So I'm going to take my brandy. I'm going to turn the heat up. You can use a match as well. Do not pour the brandy straight on the steak. Pour it around. So there you go. And tip it so that the gas flame gets it. If you don't have a gas stove, then you'll have to use a match. So look at that, look at that. Look how beautiful that is. Okay. We're going to take our steaks out. And those guys are going to need a rest. Now, you're going to need a spatula. And you need to get this off of here. Alright, so what I like to do is I put a little brandy. And deglaze. So keep scraping, then add a 1/4 cup of white wine, a 1/4 cup of heavy cream. Keep stirring on a low heat and your sauce is ready. Taste and season. Let me show you the sauce on this. Oh my God. Let me drop that sauce. Drop that sauce. Let me show you the mashed potatoes on this. And this is a nice garlic mashed potato with peppercorn in it. And let's not forget our steamed carrots, which, gently boiled in sugar and water. And you know what? This is just the perfect meal for a date night, but let me show you how you can spruce it up. Put a little parsley in here. Look at that. A little parsley there. Oh, you can garnish this way, or if you feel like it, you can put it on top of the steak. You know, whatever you like. I like it on top of the steak. And voila. Bonsoir, bon appetit. Quick, easy meal for a date night. Hope you enjoy. French style. Steak au poivre. Vichy carrots and garlic mashed potatoes. Bonsoir, bon appetit. Oh, subscribe, like, comment. Yeah, I love all that crap stuff. Okay.